This is Dr. Helena Rosenthal of the IAS research team stationed on the Lingshan Islands. The North Koreans have assumed control. They're rounding up civilians outside. We found something buried in the rock. This discovery could change the future of the planet. The Koreans don't know what they're dealing with. Please.
Sky Chief, Fort Angels 25, bearing east. Getting some radar interference. Looks like an electrical storm brewing.
That's a negative, Sky Chief. Nothing on our side. Skies are clear. Over.
Roger, Command. Must be a malfunction. ETA to drop zone
2 minutes. Hey, Nomad. You still with us?
Okay, listen up, gentlemen. Intel reports a significant military presence on the island. We have the element of surprise, so let's use it. The North Koreans can't know we're here.
They won't even know what hit them.
Can it, Psycho? Pay attention. This is a covert operation. Our job is to locate and evacuate. We're not at war here.
Not yet. What?
Prophet, do we even know if these people are still alive?
That's what we're here to find out. We lost contact with Dr. Rosenthal a week ago when the Korean military locked down the island. 2 days ago, we picked up a distress signal from the team's research vessel. Someone down there wants to be found.
Raptor team, we're beginning approach. Stand by for green.
All right, gear up. Masks on. Once we clear the plane, form up on me. Shoots on my mark.
Green in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go! 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 See you guys at the LZ.
So, J-Sox got us chasing archaeologists now? And this will be a cakewalk.
I've heard of this guy. He must have found something big to buy all of this heat.
Whatever. $50 says this Rosenthal ain't the real reason we're here.
Lock it up, team. Stay focused. We got limited intel going in. Upcom's being moved to the USS Constitution. Until they're 5x5, we're on our own. Shoots on my command. Go!
What the hell? You see that? Nomad's in. He lost his chute.
My chute's gone. My damn chute is gone. I've got no man, no reserve.
Keep it together, kid. You're over water. Your suit should absorb the impact. Nomad, what's your status?
I'm okay. But my HUD's scrambled. What the hell was that?
I don't know, but you missed the LZ. Make your way to the beach.
On my way.
Did anyone hit the LZ?
You guys are all over the place. Check in.
Psycho here. Down and on the move.
Just a step. You see the LZ.
Aztec, I have negative visual feed from your unit. Report. Aztec, report. Damn it!
Prophet, I've made it to the beach.
You hit the water pretty hard. Some of your suit functions are offline. Let me run a quick diagnostic. Your video feed is breaking up. I'm gonna try to recalibrate. All right, your suit checks out. You're back online.
Still no word from Aztec. Nomad, rendezvous with Jester and head to Aztec's location. Check your objectives display. Make sure your silencer's attached. Careful, Nomad. Enemy contact up ahead.
Energy critical. Maximum armor.
Over there!
Prophet, this is Aztec. You copy? I read you. Give a sit rep. Something took a swipe at me on the way down. Oh, I'm caught up in the trees. Okay, Aztec. Hang tight. Help's on the way.
No man, up here. Come on, let's get to Aztec.
Prophet, I'm not alone out here. What have you got, Aztec? KPA, four-man patrol. Have you been compromised? Negative. But they're close. Wait, something's... Aztec, talk to me! Madre Santísima! Aztec, sound off now! No te viene mal! No te viene mal! No te viene mal! Prophet, help me! No man, Jester, get to him now! Go! Go!
Maximum strength. Maximum speed.
Better stick the armor. Never know what. Hey,
Maximum
what is that?
armor.
Jesus. What the hell happened here? You hear that? I don't like this, man. Shit, son of a bitch!
Jester, report in. What's Aztec status?
Dead, boss.
Damn it! What the hell is going on out there?
I don't know, but I don't think we're alone out here.
What have you got? KPA?
Negative, sir. We got 4 dead Koreans, but there's no way Aztec killed them. Something else took these guys out. Tore their bodies up bad.
All right, pay your respects and move on. Rendezvous at the landing zone.
What about Aztec, sir? We just gonna leave him hanging here?
Negative. I'm gonna vaporize. We can't allow the Koreans to get their hands on that suit. Stand back.
Damn it. Never get used to that. Adios, amigo.
Jester, take care of his equipment and cover our tracks. Nomad, move out to the LZ.
Got it, boss.
I'm on it, Prophet. What the hell was that?
Maximum strength.
Hold on. I'm seeing movement ahead. Switch to cloak mode.
Maximum armor.
KPA patrol.
Cloak engaged.
Nice and quiet.
이 섬은 사람을 소름 끼치게 만들어.
Contact!
Nomad, I just lost our comsat to JSON. Our whole tactical display's down. The KPA must be using a GPS jammer near your location. Find it and take it out.
Copy, Prophet. I'm on it.
Maximum speed.
I spotted KPA patrols down on the beach. Use your binocs to tag them before you run in blind.
I see a large transmitting array. That must be the jamming station.
Energy critical. Maximum armor. Cloak engaged. Maximum armor.
이 정간 녀석들!
Shit, they called in reinforcements. Enemy units headed your way.
Taking fire! Contact!
Cloak engaged. Maximum armor. Cloak engaged.
I know you're out there.
Kill it!
From me.
Good job. Attack system back online. Proceed to the LZ.
Maximum speed. Energy
The
critical.
LZ is overrun. Psycho and I are moving to the signal location. Nomad, there's a checkpoint blocking the path up the valley, so deal with that first. Transmitting the coordinates now.
Cloak engaged. Maximum armor. Maximum speed. Cloak engaged. Maximum armor. Cloak engaged. Maximum armor. Engaged. Engaged. Maximum armor. Engaged. Maximum armor.
Nomad, find cover! Your suit's taking damage! Listen up. We've tracked the distress signal to a valley 3 clicks due east. Psycho and I are inbound. Get to the rendezvous, but be advised. Enemy forces are dug in deep.
Copy, Prophet.
Maximum speed. Energy critical.
Nomad, I'm reading a lot of enemy activity close to your position. Keep a low profile. If they spot you, they'll call in reinforcements.
Maximum speed. Cloak engaged. Energy critical. Maximum armor.
Listen!
Cloak engaged.
Additional KPA headed your way.
Cloak engaged. Maximum speed.
Nomad, JSOC indicates that the KPA
have a command post on the Eastern Peninsula. I need you to infiltrate and check for intel on enemy emplacements. I'm uploading the coordinates now.
Roger that.
Cloak engaged. Critical. Maximum speed. Cloak engaged. Maximum speed.
We ran into a KPA checkpoint up here. You're gonna need some firepower to get past it. Stock up on grenades if you can find them.
I see hostiles!
Cloak engaged. Maximum speed.
Nomad, you're closing in on that command post. I suggest you switch to cloak and sneak in undetected.
Cloak engaged. Critical. Cloak engaged. Maximum armor.
Hostile!
Cloak engaged. Energy critical. Maximum armor.
Get the bastard!
Cloak engaged. Maximum armor. Maximum strength. Energy critical.
Prophet, I'm inside the communications trailer.
Check those terminals. See if you can access their tactical network.
Got it. I'm in. Downloading now. Got the intel. Proceeding to rendezvous.
Good work, Nomad. According to these reports, they evacuated the entire civilian population in a matter of days.
What the hell are they hiding?
It gets better. Looks like General Ri Chong Kyong is in charge of the whole operation. If you thought this'd be easy, think again. Kyong means business, and he's got the KPA's elite Special Forces unit watching his back.
Engaged. Energy critical. Maximum armor. Engaged. Maximum.
Aiden! Engage!
You're approaching a line of KPA defenses. Use grenades to blast your way through. Get to the rendezvous ASAP. There's something here you need to see.
What have you got, Prophet?
Just get up here. You wouldn't believe me if I told you.
On my way.
I've got you! Come on!
Forever.
Maximum speed. Energy critical. Maximum strength. Maximum speed. Maximum strength. Maximum speed. Energy critical. Maximum armor.
About time you showed up. You believe this?
Looks like someone had a little trouble parking their boat.
We seem to have hit a dead end. I've lost our secured channel to JSOC. Too much electrical interference on this island.
Hey, boss! I got something. Topographic map. There's an area highlighted.
This valley here must be where the excavation site is located.
How can you be sure?
I'm not, but it's all we've got to go on. We need to get moving.
I'm not going anywhere until you give me some answers. I'm not buying that locate and evacuate bullshit anymore.
Yeah. Since when do the North Koreans have themselves a motherfucking freeze ray?
Damn straight! I feel like I jumped into a bloody comic book here.
I've told you everything you need to know.
That's bollocks and you know it. Aztec is dead and we ain't got the first idea what killed him.
I saw him up close, boss. He was mutilated, ripped in two. I mean, what are we dealing with here? Cause it ain't just Korean.
Chester's right. If this Rosenthal guy was a proper nut, we wouldn't be here.
Cut the crap, Psycho. You've all been fully briefed. Our job is to find those people, and that's what we're going to do. We're moving out now, and that's in order.
Something's here. It's got Chester!
We have to go! We have to go now! Come on! Move! Move!
Did you see it? Where'd it go?
This way! Come on! Move! Going in quiet.
Bloody hell, did you see that thing?
Stay on track! We gotta find Chester! To the east! Let's go! Let's go! Keep after him! Go! Go! Come on! We need to find Chester! Let's move out! There he is! Come on, jump!
No!